If your pellet grill has ever shut down mid-cook, won't hold temp, or made food taste off, this is probably the reason. And no, it's not your pellets. It's a cleaning mistake that slowly kills pellet grills. Every failure I've ever had can be traced back to one thing: my cleaning routine. And it wasn't the expensive parts I ignored, it was the boring stuff. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Clint. Today I'm going to be cleaning the Traeger Pro 575. I'm fixing to throw some corned beef on there for New Year's, and it needs a cleaning. The method that I use to clean my grill can be used on any barrel style pellet grill. Pellet grills don't usually break. They slowly get unreliable, and people blame the grill. I have a schedule that I use, and it's worked pretty well for me so far. Number one, every time before I go out to start a new cook, I just scrape the grates. That's all I do. Every 3 to 5 cooks, I do an ash clean out. And every 20 to 30 hours, I do a full cleaning. If you want to remember one of those steps, it's the middle one. That'll make the difference between works fine and what the hell just happened. The only tools you need are a shop vac, some paper towels, a scraper for the grates. I use a plastic scraper for the inside of the barrel, and some degreaser. And if you're using a wire brush inside your pellet grill, that's a future problem. I like to clean as I'm disassembling my grill. It saves time. Also, as you're scraping all this stuff off, it's going down there on the heat deflector, making easier cleanup. Out with the grates. You're not polishing them, you're just removing buildup that turns rancid. Old grease and ash doesn't just taste bad, it transfers flavor. And as you can see, there was a little bit of ash on the grates too. There, that's a lot better. Out with the heat deflector. Yummy. Replace the foil on your drip tray. This is where smoke flavor turns into, why does this taste weird? Always clean your grill cold. Warm ash goes airborne and ends up in places it shouldn't. This is the part that nobody cleans, because it doesn't look dirty. Ash buildup. Ash doesn't fail loud. It fails slowly, then all at once. Ash smothers fire, blocks airflow, and eventually shuts your grill down mid-cook. If you can see in here, there's ash all along this barrel on both sides. So rather than taking my shop vac and trying to get it all up that way, I just tap on it with something, and that causes all that ash to fall down to the bottom of the barrel. It's a whole lot easier to clean up that way. Now that looks a lot better. The main reason you clean your fire pot out is to keep these vent holes and your igniter clean. If either one of those are buried in ash, your grill struggles to light and burn clean. Don't forget to clean your RTD. Don't ask me what that stands for. That's what Traeger calls it. It's what measures the temperature inside your pit. I just use a little piece of Scotch-Brite, clean it up like that. Now, the last thing I do is I like to spray out the outside of the barrel and pretty much the whole thing with the degreaser, like Super Clean. Just a little bit. Just give her a good wipe down. And believe it or not, you'll have smoke that works out the sides and the top of your lid, and that will cause that creosote to build up and will eventually turn to rust on the outside of your grill. 3 mistakes most people make: never vacuuming, grease buildup, and waiting until something breaks. Pellet grills don't give warnings, they give excuses. Most people think grease is the enemy, but it's not. Ash is. Control the ash and your pellet grill will behave like it should. No drama, no mystery, just steady heat. A clean grill equals steady temps, better smoke, and food that tastes right. Take care of your grill and it'll take care of you. Drop a comment with your grill model. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, keep the shiny side up and grill on.